I think we've come a long way in just a few years with CAR T-cell therapy. We now have an FDA-approved CAR T therapy, Idecabtagene, and potentially another one coming soon. You know, we saw very exciting data from cilta-cel from the CARTITUDE-1 trial, long-term follow-up presented here today with a 2-year progression-free survival of over 50%. So that's pretty amazing. You know, this is the population of patients that are treated on these studies would historically have had, you know, overall survival that would be much less than 12 months. So the fact that we're seeing these type of results is, I think, really encouraging. You know, where do we go from here? I think, you know, there's already many studies that are planned and ongoing investigating the use of CAR T therapy in earlier lines of therapy and in less heavily pretreated patients, even in the upfront setting in some scenarios. So I'll be eager to see how those studies read out over the next few years. You know, some blind spots, I think, some questions I have, you know, retreatment with BCMA-targeted products, you know, whether it's CAR T or bispecifics or ADCs, you know, how much is feasible, how much is effective. Sequencing of therapies, does it matter? You know, if we're looking at different targets, BCMA, GPRC5D, FCRH5, do we need to think about how we sequence these or not? Combination studies as well. So I think there's a lot of unanswered questions. I'm very excited to see where the research takes us over the next few years.